Namaskar. Welcome to my class Super KVNs powered by Super Teachers. Today we are going to cover the question answer discussion of the Scholar's Mother Tongue of Class 4th English. So let's begin the discussion. The first one, who came to Akbar's court? And the answer is, a learned Pandit came to Akbar's court. The next one, what did he claim to know? What did the Pandit claim to know in the court? And the answer is, he claimed to know many different languages. Means he claimed to know that he has mastery over different languages. He can speak many languages. Third one, how did he challenge everybody? How did the Pandit challenge everybody in the court? He challenged everybody to name his mother tongue. He challenged that who can tell the mother tongue of the Pandit. The next part, take the words which end with the sound it. Say each word aloud. You have to take the particular word where the word ends with the sound it. For example, accept it, yes. Complete it, yes. Find, no. Answered, no. Challenged, no. Licked, no. Irritated, yes. Cried, yes. Celebrated, yes. Felt, no. Surprised, no. Fright, yes. So there are 6 letters, 6 words. The word which ends with the sound it. You have to be very much clear about the pronunciations of these words. You can refer to the dictionary. The next one, prepare a class dictionary from the lesson itself. You have to choose the words from the lesson and you have to prepare a class dictionary. Here I have taken few words in English, meaning in Hindi, and you have to frame one sentence for each word. First one is converse, meaning in Hindi, baatcheet. They are conversing with the teacher. Tickle, meaning in Hindi, gudgudi. Don't tickle me. Sneeze, chink. She sneezes all the time. Surprised, हैरान. His painting surprised everyone. Answer, jawab. He had to answer to my questions. Celebrate, manana. We celebrate every day. Describe, वर्णन करना. Describe it in your own words. Mask, nowadays it is very much in work. Mukhota, I like the mask of hippopotamus. Fluently, dhara prabhav, I can speak in English fluently. So you can prepare a class dictionary from the lessons. You can even include more words. The next one, write all the words that show you are happy. For example, hooray, haha, and more. Means you have to add few words whenever you are happy. Which words generally you pronounce? Yahoo, yappy, whoosh, hooray. So you can write these words like that. Take the right answer. I visited the court of Akbar. Means you always live there. You came there for a certain time. You were born there. You visited the courts means you were there for the certain time. So this is the right answer. B, the right options. The next questions, to imitate someone means to copy someone, to teach someone, or to make someone angry. Imitate means to copy. So the first is the right option, to copy someone. The next one, look and fill the columns. One has been done for you. You have to add ly, quiet, quietly, fluent, fluently, angry, angrily, sad, sadly, fierce, fiercely, gentle, gently. But you have to remember one thing here in angry and in gentle. In angry, the y is omitted and ily is added, and in gentle, only e is omitted and gently its ly is added. Next, question number 5. Match the words in column A with words in column B. Here you can see in the column A, king, teacher, doctor, bus driver, lawyer, mother. And in the column B, there are children, patients, courtiers, clients, passengers, and students. The king deals with what? You have to match the column. Let me show you. The king deals with the courtiers. The employees remains in the court. The teachers deal with the students. It is very well known to you. The doctors deal with the patients. The bus drivers deal with the passengers. The lawyers deal with the clients. And the mother deal with the children. So this is very common. You can practice it. Next, question number 6. Play this game with your friend. Pick up what you want from any basket, add A or N before it. Now see the sentences below using these things. Here you can see one basket is there. You have to frame sentences using A or N before the words given in the baskets. So I have done some sentences for you. You can see. Do you want a pillow? This is A printed bedsheet. Does he have an alarm clock? Wall clock is ticking. Do you have wristwatch? Can you eat 10 bananas? An ice cream man is coming. She has a bow. Does she play bat ball? Would you like to play with a doll? I wear a waistcoat. Can you wear this long coat? What I need is raincoat. Is this umbrella strong? So in this way you can frame sentences. You can use A or N whenever it is required. So thank you for watching this. In the next video we will learn about the next topic. In case you have any queries, you can write to me at akm.kvs@gmail.com. So till that time, stay home, stay safe.